homies ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly?
He hit Murph.
I see you in my review and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix, this is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in, don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day, I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way, you can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day, I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop.
It's Monday, y'all. Monday, I think it's July 18th, I think. I'm not sure of the date, y'all, but it is Monday. We're back home from Houston. Back to life, back to reality, y'all. So, Kendall is at work. Corey and I'm off. We left the house to go get breakfast, y'all, but the place we went to, they were closed. They're actually closed for good. And we didn't know until we got there. So, yep, I'm just checking in, y'all. We made it home. It is Monday. And we're going to find some breakfast. So, I hope everybody had a great weekend. I had a fabulous weekend with my family, y'all. One of my daughters live in Texas. So, that's why we always take that trip there every year, you know, just to go hang out with her. And it was a nice time. It was a very nice time. So, like I said, back to life, back to reality. And I'll call y'all when we get something to eat, y'all. I'll call y'all back. So, y'all, we were trying to find somewhere to eat. We ended up at Chick-fil-A. Because the place we left to go to permanently closed down on June 24th. I had no idea. So, we just went and got some Chick-fil-A breakfast and came home. I was tired of being in the car. We've been in the car. We had the drive to Houston, the drive back. It was a lot. So, I'm back inside. I just finished eating my hash browns. Still drinking my iced coffee, y'all. And I'm about to start washing the my dirty clothes, the laundry from that we took on the trip. So, that's what I'm about to do.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now. I feel amazing. I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real from the app, about to pay out. Spending time, wind down, what is takeout? And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
Fade out, fade out. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby, say please and thank you, cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation, cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Cloud chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you here for the ride.
Hey y'all, so real quick I wanted to thank a supporter, Valerie. She heard me complaining, y'all, about being hot outside in the garden, and she suggested the neck fan. She asked me in the comments, had I ever tried it? And I didn't even think about the neck fan, y'all. But then she cashed at me the money to purchase a neck fan. So Valerie, I got the neck fan. I have the rechargeable one. I got it from Walmart. This one was $29.99. It's to stay cool and comfortable anywhere. Adjustable 3 speeds, lightweight and comfortable. Cordless rechargeable. Flexible fit for custom. Flexible for custom fit. It runs up to 6 hours with a full charge. And yep, I'm gonna try it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away. Wherever I went, dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going, nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I have it all, tell you I have any more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. I'm getting away.
It's on, y'all. It has a little charge already. Wow. Where did air come from? Y'all, the air comes from all the way around here. And it's cool. Like, it feels like a AC unit. I'm thinking this is the lowest setting. Let's see. Yeah, it went up a little higher. And a little higher. Oh my God. Y'all, I love it. Y'all, let me just add. A woman of my wisdom. I'm not gonna say age, my wisdom. Y'all, we need this. Hot flashes, perfect. I love it. When I tell you, I'm glad that, y'all, I was gonna order it and then I happened to see this one in Walmart. I absolutely love it. Yes. I mean, it's going to have some sound, but it's not loud at all. It's not moving. You don't really feel no major vibration or nothing. It's nice and lightweight and comfortable, y'all. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see. My new favorite gadget, y'all. My new favorite gadget. I'm going to put it on the charger. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, yes. It's a thumbs up for me. A 10 out of 10. Thanks again, Valerie.